South Africa is at a historic turning point in its immigration policies. So South Africa, around December, has introduced a new and updated immigration policies, and they've taken a number of immigration policies away, and they've also added new ones. And in this video, I'm going to break it down, all of them for you. So if you're an immigrant in South Africa, or if you intend going to live in South Africa, everything has changed. This video is going to enlighten you. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always returning and watching my videos. If today's the first time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Plus, I'll be adding a couple of your comments. So in the previous video on immigration, I saw a couple of your messages, which is all educational. So I've researched into that, and I'll be taking you through it. So if you haven't watched the first video, try to watch the first video. So the video talks about the update of South African immigration policy. Now let me take a few of your comments, and then after your comments, I will move on to the video, the additions and the subtraction. So some of your commentary that drew my attention. So this one says that submission on the white paper is open and allowed for only South African citizens. For only South African citizens, public to make comment on the new immigration law. Marriages by foreigners from 2010 will be reviewed and withdrawn. Oh, really? Professionals like teachers, lawyers, nurses are not scarce skills. Even the scarce skill law has been revoked. Ah, wow, I see. To conduct business in South Africa, you should have received millions to invest in South Africa. Even those seeking citizenship, you will have to present your bank statement to show that you are not going to be a burden to the society. Zimbabwean exemption permit is coming to an end, and there will be no extension. Hey, I don't know if this is what he envisaged, or this is the law. This is what has come into the law. So, Incredible South, you try and correct me. So, Incredible South drew my attention to the scarce skills. So I made my research, and now this is the scarce skills that will qualify you to enter and work in South Africa. So number one is engineering. So whether civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, those are all the engineering. And number two is IT or ICT skills. When you have these skills, those are part of the scarce skills in South Africa. Now next one is software developers and specialists. If you're a software developer, if you're a specialist, you also qualify to take advantage of that. Then the next one is when it comes to the healthcare, doctors, specialists, nurses. Voila for you. You can be in South Africa. And then when it comes to finance, to auditors, being an analyst, being an actuary. I forgot what job is that? I've forgotten, but that's it. And artisans, mainly electricians and welders. So these are the critical skills that are being consistently appear on the critical skills visa that can provide you a direct pathway to work and potential permanent residency in high demand sectors during SA's digital and infrastructure growth. So these are the scarce skills. So it means that being a teacher, being a seller, the earlier ones, all those ones that I mentioned, they are all not part. So those ones may not help you. And some things have been taken. Now let's zoom into it and see those ones which have been taken. So that is the 2025 white paper on citizenship. Everything is now based around point-based system. Your point will determine your citizenship and what you get and what you don't get. And now the next one is the Immigration Amendment Bill, which is very controversial. So number one, what has been taken away is the marriage rule. So the marriage rule has changed. Now in the past, marrying a South African can just easily give you a South African citizenship. It's been criticized because it's been described as a backdoor to citizenship, and it has encouraged a lot of illegal marriages in South Africa, and even people having marriage of convenience. People marry South African ladies so that they could get citizenship, but in actual fact, there is no marriage. Others even go to the extent of charging. Some South African women have used it as their job, marrying Pakistanis, marrying Nigerians, marrying Ghanaians, immigrants in South Africa in exchange for citizenship, and they charge in dollars. So it has become a business. But then thank God now it has changed. So what has replaced it now? In addition to, getting married, there's also the Citizenship Advisory Board. So all naturalization applications, including those by marriage, will now be vetted by a new independent board before it can even move to the next stage. And if it is likely to move to the next stage, there is also the merit-based citizenship. So even if you are married to a South African citizen, your right to become a citizen will now still be weighed against a point-based system. They will still look at your skills, your contribution to the economy, and your criminal record. My goddess. So now it's only about getting married to a South African citizen. After being married to a citizen, you will still have to be evaluated. Your skills, your contribution, and what you are doing in South Africa will determine your citizenship or otherwise. And even after, when you go through all of this, you will still need to hold a permanent residence, PR, for 5 years while married to apply for citizenship. So even when you are married to a South African citizen and you've been able to pass all of this process, you still need to hold a permanent residence, PR, for a period of 5 years while still married to apply for citizenship. Now, after qualifying for all this process, you are married to a South African lady. Now you also have skills, you are contributing to the economy, you have the skill set. What you also to do is now you'll be given a permanent, residence, PR, and you need to hold that PR for 5 years while married to a South African citizenship. But the vetting of the relationship will be much more aggressive. So you won't get it easy again. After getting the PR for 5 years, they will be inspecting. Officers will be checking. Are you truly married? Are you still married to lady? Are you treating the lady well? Like, where in Asia, if you are married to an Asian lady and you go to renew your card for 5 years, they will see if you've allowed the lady to overeat. If the lady is still beautiful and slim like you came to take care, if the lady is bloating or she's eating and she's bloating, or she's getting thinner, they will reduce your years to 1 year, 2 years. That is going to happen in South Africa. My God is. Now, the controversial one, which has been taken away, is birthright. Birthright in South Africa has been taken away, and this is so controversial. So, birthright citizenship for foreigners has been taken off. Now, the new law moved towards a jus sanguinis. I'm sure it's an Arabic word. That's the right of blood model. So, being born in South Africa does not automatically make a child a South African citizen if the parents are foreign nationals. So if you are foreign nationals and you give birth to somebody in South Africa, it doesn't make you a South African, all right? So this is what has been added. Now, there is a referral system for kids. So under the new bill, child illegal immigrant can no longer be thrown into detention centers with adults. Now, they must be referred to child protection services and social workers immediately. Now, this is what has also been added for children for permanent residence. So if a child is born in South Africa and at least one parent is a permanent resident, the child is a citizen. But if a child is born in South Africa and two or all the parents are foreigners, the child does not automatically become a South African citizen. And if parents are only on temporary visas, the child takes the parent nationality. Wow. So that is it. If you're just on temporary visas, the child, if you're a Ghanaian, your child will become a Ghanaian, will not be a South African. So work and business too, the merit overhaul has been taken away. So for some years in South Africa, if you want to hire somebody from outside, you needed to prove that nobody in South Africa could do that job. And so people spend days going to the Department of Labor to get certificates to declare that no South African can do the job, and so they want to hire a foreigner. Now, that certificate is gone in most categories. So this is what now you need to do. They've added the 100-point rule. So you now score yourself on a grade. So for instance, if you have a master's degree and if you speak a local language, then you get the visa. And if you don't hit 100 points, you don't get in, regardless of a job offer. This will be difficult for foreigners. Man, you need to get 100 points to be able to get a job in South Africa. Now, they also added the trusted employer scheme. So, if you work for a very big vetted company like a bank or a tech giant, the company will handle the merit check and your visa is issued in days for you to come to South Africa. That one very easy for you. The moment you qualify fast, you come to South Africa. Now, on detention and deportation too, this is what has happened. So this is the heart of the bill waiting for the president's signature. Now, the 30 days dark detention has been taken away. So now, immigration officers can no longer lock you up for 30 days without a judge seeing you. In fact, within the 48 hours or 2 days or at most 4 days, immigration should take you to court for the court to pronounce that they should either keep you or they should deport you. So that is what has happened. No, so just like a criminal suspect, the undocumented foreigner must be brought before a court within 48 hours. Now, there is also the interest of justice. It requires a judge, not an immigration officer, to decide if it is fair to keep you in custody or not. If the judge thinks it is not in the interest of justice, they must release you. And if he thinks that it is in the interest of justice, then they keep you. Now, the final one, which is on asylum and refugees. They are saying that now, if you want to seek asylum, you cannot pass one safe country. So, if you want to seek asylum, you should go to the one safest country. So you can't bypass Namibia, Botswana, refuse to apply for asylum there, and get to South Africa and apply for asylum. They are saying that if you do that, South Africa can now legally reject your application and send you back to that first safe country. Hey, Hey, man, South Africa has gotten interesting, man. So in a nutshell, this is a table of what has been taken away and what has been added. So now, marriage is gone. Now, automatic citizenship path for marriage is gone. You don't just get married and become a citizen. Number two, children. Citizenship is just by born in SA is gone. Now, before you can get a citizenship in SA as a baby or a child, one parent should have a permanent resident in South Africa before you can get a permanent resident in South Africa. Then, now visas. So, Labor Department certificate has been taken away. Now, it is entirely based on point-based system. Then, asylum, unlimited entry form is also gone. Now, you need to prove that you didn't pass through any safe country before arriving in South Africa. This is what has been taken away. Then what is new? They've introduced Citizenship Advisory Board and merit checks. 2, referral to social workers and child protection focus for children who are born in South Africa. Then if you are arrested as an illegal immigrant, you must see a judge in 48 hours. And the last one is the first safe country rule. If you come to South Africa and they're able to prove that you pass or you left one safe country, you'll be deported back to that safe country. So guys, this is in a nutshell, the new rules coming in South Africa, which is in reference the Immigration Amendment Bill, currently on President Cyril Ramaphosa's desk for him to sign, and the 2025 White Paper on Citizenship, which will come to pass. Now there is a 30-day window for South Africans to go and draft their inputs or put their inputs. After that, the door is closed. My name is Kweku Africa. If you like this content and many other content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. It's a wrap for today. Bye-bye.